Hello everyone! Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a kindergarten teacher job application letter, step by step. I'll explain what each part of the letter is about, why it's important, and give you helpful tips so you know exactly what to write when applying for a kindergarten teaching position. Let's begin by understanding what this type of letter is. A kindergarten teacher job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a teaching position at the kindergarten level. This letter introduces you as an early childhood educator, highlights your experience working with young children, explains your teaching approach, and shows the school why you are a good fit for nurturing and educating kindergarten students. This letter is usually submitted together with your resume and other documents, and it plays an important role in whether you are invited for an interview. Now let's go through the letter from top to bottom, one part at a time. We start with the sender's details at the top of the letter. This section includes your full name, your home address, your professional email address, and your phone number. This information allows the school to easily identify you and contact you if they are interested in your application. In this letter, the sender's details are written as Amanda Lewis, 1936 Cedar Grove Court, Eugene, Oregon, 97401. Email, amanda.lewis@email.com. Phone, 541-689-3274. When writing your own letter, always make sure your email address is professional and your phone number is correct and active. Next comes the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps the school keep track of applications. Always write the full date. In this letter, the date is written as Date, March 15th, 2026. Always remember to update the date before submitting your application. After that, we write the receiver's details. This section shows who the letter is addressed to and where it is being sent. It tells the school that your letter is written specifically for them. In this letter, the receiver's details are Hiring Manager, Sunrise Valley Elementary School, 820 Meadow Park Road, Springfield, Oregon, 97477. This makes your letter look professional and targeted, not generic. Next is the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter in one short sentence. In this letter, the subject line is written as Subject, Application for Kindergarten Teacher Position. Always keep your subject line clear, simple, and professional. Now let's talk about the salutation, which is very important. The salutation is how you politely greet the reader. If you don't know the person's name, Dear Hiring Manager is a safe and professional choice. In this letter, the salutation is written as Dear Hiring Manager. Never skip the salutation because it sets a respectful and professional tone for the rest of the letter. Now we move into the main body of the letter, starting with the first paragraph, which is the introduction. This paragraph explains why you are writing and briefly introduces your experience and passion as a kindergarten teacher. It should clearly mention the position you are applying for. Why this paragraph is important is because it creates the first impression and immediately tells the school who you are and what role you want. Tips for this paragraph: be confident, warm, and clear. Since this is a kindergarten position, showing care and enthusiasm is very important. In this letter, the first paragraph is written as I am writing to apply for the kindergarten teacher position at Sunrise Valley Elementary School. With over 5 years of experience teaching early childhood education and a strong passion for nurturing young learners, I am confident in my ability to create a safe, engaging, and supportive classroom environment. This paragraph clearly states the position, highlights experience, and shows passion for working with young children. Now let's move to the second paragraph, which focuses on your teaching experience and classroom approach. In this paragraph, you describe what you do in your current or previous role. You should mention lesson planning, classroom activities, and how you support children's learning and development. Why this paragraph is important is because it shows how you work with young learners on a daily basis. Tips for this paragraph: use simple but professional language, mention early learning skills, and highlight methods that support child development. In this letter, the second paragraph is written like this. In my current role at Little Steps Learning Center in Eugene, I design age-appropriate lesson plans that support early literacy, numeracy, and social development. I focus on hands-on learning, positive reinforcement, and structured routines that encourage curiosity and confidence among young students. This paragraph shows experience, teaching methods, and understanding of early childhood education. Next is the third paragraph, which focuses on your teaching values and passion. This paragraph explains the kind of classroom environment you aim to create and why you want to work at this specific school. Why this paragraph is important is because schools want kindergarten teachers who are caring, patient, and aligned with the school's values. Tips for this paragraph: show warmth, inclusivity, and genuine care for children's growth. In this letter, the third paragraph is written as, I am dedicated to fostering a warm and inclusive classroom where children feel encouraged to explore, ask questions, and develop foundational learning skills. Sunrise Valley Elementary School's commitment to early education strongly aligns with my teaching values, and I would welcome the opportunity to contribute to your school community. This paragraph connects personal teaching values with the school's mission, which makes the letter more convincing. Now let's look at the final body paragraph, also known as the closing paragraph. This paragraph politely expresses your availability for an interview, thanks the reader, and shows interest in further discussion. Why this paragraph is important is because it ends the letter on a professional and positive note. Tips for this paragraph: be polite, appreciative, and confident. In this letter, the closing paragraph is written as, I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to further discuss how I can support your kindergarten program. This paragraph leaves a strong and respectful final impression. After that, we end the letter with the closing phrase and signature. The closing phrase is usually sincerely, followed by your signature and your typed name. In this letter, it is written as, sincerely, signature, Amanda Lewis. This completes the formal structure of the letter. Before we finish, here are some overall tips and reminders for writing a kindergarten teacher job application letter. Always use a warm and positive tone, because kindergarten teaching is about care and encouragement. Tailor your letter to the school, highlight your experience with young children, and keep your writing clear and professional. Proofread your letter carefully and make sure it matches your resume. Most importantly, let your love for teaching young learners shine through your words. And that's how you write a kindergarten teacher job application letter, step by step, in a clear and professional way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more easy and practical writing guides. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. See you on the next video.